Which oil should I use today?
Oh no, fire, fire! Ah!
Marco fell for the loudest food panic on the internet, and it cost him... Hey, I'm Nutri. Today, are seed oils actually as bad as the internet says? Spoiler, mostly, no, but the conversation has real nuance worth knowing. Seed oils means soybean, sunflower, canola, corn, safflower, grapeseed. They went mainstream after World War II. Cheap, neutral flavor, high smoke point. Then around 2020, a viral claim took off online. That seed oils cause inflammation, heart disease, even cancer. There is a kernel of truth in this. Let me show you what's real. Concern 1, that omega-6 fatty acids cause inflammation. In a lab, omega-6 can convert into arachidonic acid, which triggers inflammation pathways. But in actual humans, randomized trials don't show this happens. A 2020 review of 30 trials, omega-6 lowered LDL and didn't raise inflammation. Lab biochem doesn't always equal what happens in your bloodstream. Verdict? Omega-6 from seed oils isn't inflammatory in normal amounts. Concern 2, heating seed oils creates harmful compounds called aldehydes. This one's actually true. Any oil heated past its smoke point over and over oxidizes. Worst case, restaurants reusing the same fryer oil for days. But home cooking, 1 stir fry, fresh oil, normal heat, minimal oxidation. Don't reuse oil, don't deep fry past smoke point, store it dark and sealed. Here's the part the panic gets backward. Most studies linking seed oils to bad outcomes studied processed food, not the oils. Ultra-processed foods are calorie-dense, low in nutrients, and easy to overeat. Of course, people eating tons of chips and fast food have worse health outcomes. But the oil is the passenger, not the driver. Swap chips for whole foods and the oil question barely matters. Okay, so what should you actually do? For high heat cooking, avocado oil, refined olive oil, or even tallow all work. For low heat or finishing, extra virgin olive oil is great. For dressings, any liquid plant oil works fine. And don't throw out your canola. Just don't fry the same batch all week. Quick recap, seed oils aren't poison. Repeated overheating and ultra-processed food are the real issues. Small choices, big changes. If this helped, subscribe. Next time, are eggs actually bad for your cholesterol?